Make no mistake, what happened that day was an absolute bloodbath. Well, we're at the Crooked Billet at Towton, just past it, and we're coming up to Towton battlefield, where in the 1460s on Palm, was it Good Friday or Palm Sunday or something like that, there were a massive battle, one of the battles of the Roses, and they reckoned on there were more people killed than in the first day's fighting at the Battle of the Somme. And remember, the Battle of the Somme, they had machine guns and bombs and bullets. These guys up here had bows and arrows, lances and swords. It must have been absolutely carnage. And the battlefield just up here, just an innocent field, over there on my right. That's the one over there, you can't believe it. Thousands killed there. Very sobering thought. A memorial there for the battle. Make no mistake, what happened that day was an absolute bloodbath. The Yorkist lines were up by that tree on the high ground, and the Lancastrians were at this end. What happened was the Lancastrians were facing a snowstorm, and they let their arrows go to the Yorkists, and they fell short. The Yorkists ran forward, gathered up the arrows, and because the wind was behind them, they had plenty of arrows and let loose on the Lancastrians. And then the carnage began. The Yorkists routed the Lancastrians and chased them to bloody Meadow. The Battle of Towton, the biggest battle in Britain, on the 29th of March 1461, Palm Sunday. This is where Lord Dacre, Lancastrian, fell. Lord Dacre's cross. Edward had 25,000 Yorkists and Henry had 25,000 Lancastrians. 28,000 casualties at this battle, of which 20,000 were Lancastrians, and most of them who were chased from the battlefield over to bloody Meadow perished there. And the River Cock, or the Cock Beck, was absolutely running red with blood, and you could walk over the beck, over all the Lancastrian bodies. Well, it's been a lovely ride out, and not cold at all. I mean, I ain't even got me heated grips on or anything.